Folks, picture this. You wake up with a killer app idea, the kind that could blow up next year. But then reality hits. You can't code. And hiring a dev team costs a fortune and takes forever. Sounds familiar? My name's Daniel, and today we'll put it to the test, building a real app together, pushing its limits, and seeing if it truly delivers. This video is all about how to be an entrepreneur, using AI and turning your idea into a real product. I am going to show you how to build, test, and launch an application almost as fast as you can explain it. The magic tool behind this is called Emergent AI, and it claims to create production-ready programs from a simple conversation. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. Alright folks, let's talk about what makes Emergent perfect for modern entrepreneurs. This isn't just another prototype builder that gives you fancy mockups. The app positions itself as an agentic vibe coding platform. What does that mean? Instead of one bot doing everything, you get a team of specialized agents working together. Guys, one agent handles the front-end design, another builds the back-end infrastructure, a third manages databases and authentication, and there's even a testing agent that catches bugs automatically. The result is that you don't just get a demo that looks pretty, you get a fully functional app with real user authentication, payment processing, and deployment ready to handle actual traffic. Folks, they've already hit over 1 million users and 10 million in revenue in just 3 months. That's pretty impressive growth for any platform. But here's what really caught my attention. Unlike tools like Bolt or V0 that stop at the UI layer, Emergent gives you the complete stack. Okay, my friends, now let me show you how to turn an idea into a product. I'm going to create something more complex than a simple landing page. Let's build a task management app with user authentication, real-time updates, and Stripe payments for premium features. First, I'll head to the Emergent website and sign up for an account. The interface is clean and straightforward, just a text box asking what I want to build. Watch this, folks. The system is now asking me some clarifying questions about authentication, task board setup, and premium tiers. This is smart. Rather than guessing, it's gathering requirements just like a real development team would. For authentication, I'll allow both JWT with email and password sign-up and Google Social login. For the task board, I want everything from Kanban-style columns to priority-based organization. Guys, for team collaboration, I'll include email invitations, task assignment, and real-time updates. And for premium tiers, I'll set a free plan with up to 10 tasks and 3 team members. The premium plan gets everything from unlimited tasks to priority support. Now the magic happens. Look at this progress screen. I can see multiple agents working simultaneously. Guys, the planning agent is structuring the app architecture. The front-end agent is creating the user interface. The back-end agent is setting up APIs and database schemas. This is what sets Emergent apart, folks. Most tools work sequentially, but this is truly parallel development. After about 8 minutes, the first working version is ready. The app starts with a professional login screen that includes proper validation, a clean dark layout, and full responsiveness across devices. Guys, inside, a fully featured dashboard appears with multiple project boards, smooth drag-and-drop task management, and integrated team invitations. The registration process works smoothly, with email verification and strict password requirements, delivering the kind of polished flow expected from a production-ready product. Tasks can be edited inline, with every change updating instantly in real time. Folks, team collaboration is robust, offering member invitations and task assignments. The functionality that would typically require weeks of manual development. The premium subscription system is equally seamless. An upgrade option triggers a complete Stripe checkout flow that operates in test mode for safety, yet is fully configured for real payment processing. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. What really stands out for anyone starting a business is how Emergent takes care of the complex technical parts entirely on its own. Folks, behind the polished interface, the platform quietly manages everything you'd normally have to configure by hand. It keeps your workspace organized and perfectly in sync, just like a professionally built production system. The structure behind projects isn't a simple mock-up either. Guys, it supports real team setups, with tasks and members connected in a way that stays fast and scalable even as your workload grows. Real-time collaboration is another impressive element. Changes made by one user show up instantly for everyone else, so teams can work together without delays or refreshes. Normally, guys, creating a system like this would require deep technical skills, careful setup, and hours of testing. But this tool manages all of it automatically, while keeping the whole process smooth and efficient. For entrepreneurs, this means more time for marketing, fundraising, and growing the business. The app also handles changes and iterations smoothly. You can ask it to add a time tracking feature and switch the color scheme from dark to blue. Guys, the system analyzed the existing code, planned the modifications, and implemented them without breaking any existing functionality. In about 3 minutes, the updates were complete. The color scheme is now blue, and each task includes a timer button that can be started and stopped, with all data saving correctly. This kind of iteration is crucial. Most AI tools would require starting over for significant changes, but Emergent maintains context and updates incrementally. It even supports standout extras that help founders scale faster, including universal LLM key, GitHub integration, and one-click deploy, all the infrastructure an entrepreneur needs. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Emergent AI represents a significant step forward in no-code development and in how entrepreneurs can launch companies. This isn't just about building pretty interfaces. It's about creating real, scalable applications and testing them in the market almost instantly. For entrepreneurs, small businesses, and anyone with app ideas but limited coding skills, this tool opens up possibilities that were previously out of reach. The multi-agent approach, production-ready output, and iterative development capabilities make it stand out from the competition. Have you used AI coding tools before? What's been your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.